gone into heaven, the shepherds said to one another, "Let's go to Bethlehem and see this thing that has happened, which the Lord has told us about." So they hurried off and found Mary and Joseph and the baby who was lying in the manger. When they had seen him, they spread the word concerning what had been told to them about this child. But Mary treasured up all these things and pondered them in her heart. The shepherds returned glorifying and praising God for all the things they have heard and seen, which were just as they had been told. Luke 2:15-20.